Automated Hand Sanitizer with thermal sensor using Arduino, prepared by Angelo M. Asis, BSCS, alumnus, Seth Valeras, BSCS 4. This is where our presentation begins. Abstract. This study designed and developed an automated hand sanitizer with thermal sensor using Arduino. Theoretical and conceptual framework were also included as a basis of step-by-step development of the proposed system. The respondents, consisting of 90 students and 10 employers, selected at random from Our Lady of Lourdes College Foundation. Introduction. Infrared IR sensors are the most common type of non-contact temperature sensor. This is preventive measures during this pandemic. As shown above, you will place your hand under the box and the tip of your finger is aligned with the dispense sanitizer. It will automatically measure the temperature and release the alcohol within 5 seconds. This video is above 37.5 degrees Celsius. The device will alarm and the hand sanitizer will not release. This video is below 37.5 degrees Celsius. The device will dispense sanitizer automatically. As shown above, if the temperature is higher than the setup temperature, the buzzer will be sounded and vice versa. Specifically, this study answered the following questions. Objective. The researchers' analysis indicates that this project will benefit the school. Definition of term. Arduino is an open source electronics platform based on easy-to-use hardware and software. GY-906 MLX 90614 ESF-DCI is a plate-mounted temperature sensor, piezo oscillating electronic circuit relay to turn on and off almost from any sensor can be used. LCD. The LCD display will display the recorded temperature to user. Servo. The hand sanitizer dispenser being represented by the servo motor, which display as open and close as command. HC dash SRO4 ultrasonic sensor to sense our proximity or presence that will effectively serve as a trigger or touchless switch for this device. We will need sensor breadboards as many holes into which components like ICs and resistors can be implemented. I will be sharing you the flowchart programming. As you can see, the starting, we have the temperature screening, and then the input is from the temperature sensor. Then to the next one, I declare that if the temperature exceed in 37.5, so if it exceed, go to the left side, so then the output will be, the buzzer will turn on making an alarm, where the LCD display temperature following the number of temperature itself, and then he will end. So if the temperature does not exceed 37.5, which is the limit on the right, we will see the output buzzer will turn on making sound. Still the same LCD display the temperature, the output will be itself. Relay will turn on and dispensing the hand sanitizer. Then the following will be an ending. The next one is the circuit diagram. As you can see, this is the diagram of the 4 circuit. They are LCD right here. Micro distance sensor. Relay left here. This is the temperature sensor. This one a piezo buzzer. Then our combined system. Between the temperature detecting process and one on the right for hand sanitizing process. These are the components they are displayed on the board. Before one Arduino Uno R3, one temperature sensor, one relay, one LCD, one ultrasonic distance sensor, one metal gear servo, one piezo. For the coding part, the first part of the coding, you will include liquid crystal and temperature sensor, which is the liquid crystal.h is the LCD, while Adafruit _ MLX 90614.h is the GY-906 MLX 90614 ESF-DCI. We have to include item first, and then the liquid crystal LCD will be the LCD display itself. And we will declare integers. Some integers we declare was piezo, trig pin, echo pin, if it's higher, the piezo buzzer will have to be turned on to be triggered and then making alarm. If it's not exceeding the temperature limit, the piezo buzzer will making sound. As you can see, first we plug in a digital write. So the relay is at high and delay in the millisecond of 1000. And then the digital write is low, which delay in the millisecond. For the temperature, there are the few calculations involved according to some resources, so that it is easy to obtain the actual temperature sensor, are opposed to the one study or the loops. So these are the temperature is to be added. So different is opposed high temperature in this part here. Since COVID-19 symptoms fever, the temperature go 37.5 or higher. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe to Eloy TV. Bye.